OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to enter and use recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, you have to switch off your phone. Just tap on power key and hold it for about 3 seconds. And now slide down to power off. And that's it. Now your device is off. It's time to enter the recovery mode. So in order to do that, you have to tap on power key and volume down key all together and just hold them for about 3 seconds until you see OPPO's logo. And now in this mode you can simply navigate by tapping on volume up and volume down keys, and then enter each mode by tapping on power key. But you can also select each option just by tapping on preferable one by your finger. So for example, let's tap here, check disk. Now your disk is checking. You just have to wait a few seconds. And as you can see, disk data is intact. So you can go to power off, reboot, wipe data, online update, or install from storage device. And that's it. If you would like to pick each option, just tap on it with your finger or select it by tapping on power key. And now, if you would like to quit this mode, you can simply power off your device or reboot. We truly recommend rebooting. So just pick reboot, confirm it by tapping on OK, and wait a few seconds. And that's it. Now you can just use your device normally. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.